My dear students, today we are going to study about living word first lesson in science subject. See here, you must have heard this saying, the word environment is very familiar to us. The things around us is environment. We can enjoy environment by seeing only. We see hills, forest, river, falls, streams, honeybee, insects, eagle, snake, soil, light, birds, and so many other things around us which make us wonder. This is our environment. Our environment is home for diversity. Okay? You have the curiosity to know the speciality of this diversity. If so, understand this in it. Okay? Then listen this story. Okay? Lazy Somana, name of the story. Okay? Somana is a lazy person. Even though he owns a piece of land, he has not worked for a single day in his land. He used to live only by receiving what others gave him. He was very fond of groundnuts. Fond of groundnuts means he likes that groundnut. He was pet of that groundnuts, especially fried groundnuts. Once, while eating fried groundnuts, he got an idea. He thought that if he sowed groundnuts in his land, he would get enough groundnuts to eat, and he need not beg anybody for it. Okay? He want to sow the fried groundnuts in his land. Okay? Then what happens? See, which type of groundnuts? That fried groundnuts. Okay? Because he not want to beg to others. Also, he felt that if he sowed fried groundnuts, yield would be fried groundnuts. Means here yield means here income is. Here generation income would be fried like that, he was thought. So there would be no need to fry the groundnuts. Not knowing the type of seeds to be sown, he is not know that which type of seeds we want to sow in land. That time what he was done, see, Somana started sowing fried groundnuts from the next day itself. Okay? Seeing Somana working in his land, the neighboring farmers were very happy that Somana had shed his laziness finally. Okay? Means the other farmers neighboring, they thought lastly Somana left his laziness and he is doing some work like that. So some days passed. Then what happened? Plants grew and greenery was everywhere. In everywhere land there, that looking land looking greenery. But not a single plant appeared in Somana's land. Everywhere we look green, but in Somana's land nothing appeared. Then students, tell me, why did plants not grow in Somana's land? I think maybe you thought that answer. Because Somanna sowed fried groundnuts. So listen here students. Raw groundnuts here. Raw groundnuts have the characteristics needed to grow into a plant. So it is called living component. Raw groundnuts have the features needed to grow in a plant. Okay. So in fried groundnuts, the living component is destroyed. It is called the non-living state. Hence, Somanna's fried groundnuts are not grow in plant. This shows us in the environment there are living beings which have the living characteristics and non-living beings which do not have the living characteristics. Okay, understood students? Now students, in the following chart, some components of the environment and some living characteristics are given. Read carefully. If in each of the component the characteristics is given in front of them are found and put right mark. If these characteristics are not found, put wrong mark. Students, see this picture inside components of the environment: mouse, mango, brick, clock, butterfly, man, frog, paper, mobile. These are the components of environment. Okay, and here give characteristics of these components: growth, eating food, movement, respiration, excretion, response to stimulus and reproduction. Okay, see here, first one, mouse, component of environment. Mouse grows, then that is right mark. Eating food, right. Movement, right mark. Okay, respiration, right mark. Excretion, right mark. Response to stimulus, reproduction, right mark. Okay, now mango, not a mango tree. See here, only mango give here. Growth, no, then wrong mark. Eating food, no, then wrong mark. Movement, no, wrong mark. Reproduction, respiration, no, wrong mark. Excretion, wrong. Response to stimulus, wrong mark. Reproduction, wrong. Next one, bricks here. Brick, growth, no. Next, eating food, wrong mark. Movement, wrong mark. Respiration, wrong mark. Excretion, wrong mark. Response to stimulus, wrong. Reproduction, wrong. Next, clock, grows, no, then wrong mark. Eating food, wrong. Movement, wrong. Respiration, wrong. Excretion, wrong. Response to stimulus, wrong. Reproduction, wrong. Okay, now butterfly. See, butterfly grows, yes, then right mark. Eating food, right. Movement, right. Respiration, right. Excretion, right. Response to stimulus, right. Reproduction, right. Next one, see, man, okay, grows, then right mark. Eating food, right. Movement, right. Respiration, right. Excretion, right. Response to stimulus, right. Reproduction. Frog grows, then right. Eating food, right. Movement, right. Respiration, right. Excretion, right. Response to stimulus, right. Reproduction, right. Okay, now paper, see. Paper grows, no, then wrong mark. Eating food, wrong. Movement, wrong. Respiration, wrong. Excretion, wrong. Response to stimulus, wrong. Reproduction, wrong. Okay, next mobile one. Mobile grows, no. Eating food, no. Movement, wrong. Respiration, wrong. Acceleration, wrong mark. Response to stimulus, wrong. Reproduction, wrong. Okay. The components which we have marked right are called living beings, and those which we have marked wrong mark are called non-living things in the environment. Students, I think you understood this much. In next period, we will learn about characteristics of living beings. Okay, now take homework. Make a list of other living beings and non-living things you have seen. Okay, bye students, take care.